Welcome to Vsa EduTube. Today, let's learn about fractions. Hi, friends. Today, we're going to explore something super cool, fractions. We'll learn what fractions are and how they work. Let's dive in. A fraction is a way to show a part of something. Imagine you have a pizza. If you cut it into equal slices, each slice is a fraction of the whole pizza. Every fraction has two parts. The top number is called the numerator, and the bottom number is called the denominator. The numerator tells us how many parts we have, and the denominator tells us how many equal parts make up the whole. Here's an example. 1/2, or 1/2, means you have 1 out of 2 equal parts. If you cut an apple into 2 equal parts and take 1, you have 1/2 of the apple. Now let's look at 1/3, written as 1/3. This means 1 part out of 3 equal parts. If you cut a chocolate bar into 3 equal pieces and take 1, you have 1/3 of the bar. 1/4, or a quarter, is written as 1/4. This means 1 part out of 4 equal parts. Imagine cutting a sandwich into 4 pieces. If you take 1 piece, that's 1/4 of the sandwich. Fractions are everywhere. You can use fractions to share things equally, like slices of pizza or pieces of cake. Fractions help us divide things into fair parts. Now let's play a quick game. I'll show you some shapes divided into parts. You guess the fraction. Ready? Here's the first one. Here's the second one. Here's the third one. If you guessed half, 1, 1/4 and 1/8, you're correct. Let's go over what we learned. A fraction is a part of a whole. We have the numerator on top and the denominator on the bottom. 1/2, 1/3, and 1/4 are all ways to split something into equal parts.